In today's digital age, social networking forensics has become a powerful tool in unraveling mysteries and uncovering hidden truths. From analyzing GPS data on Twitter to discovering sensitive documents, the digital breadcrumbs left on the internet tell significant stories. In this video, we'll dive into key techniques and data sources such as cell phone metadata, deleted social posts, and live streaming insights. We'll explore how investigators use these techniques to solve crimes, track down missing persons, and verify information in the news. So if you've ever wondered what your online activity really says about you, or how investigators use social media to solve real-world cases, this video is for you. Let's begin. Let's start with Twitter, a platform where people share their thoughts in 280 characters or less. But it's not just the tweets themselves that are valuable for forensic investigations. Twitter's GPS data, when enabled by the user, can reveal where a person was when they sent a tweet. This data can be used to build timelines, corroborate alibis, and even track down individuals in real time. Account metadata, like creation dates and bio changes, can also provide valuable insights. So the next time you're scrolling through your Twitter feed, remember that those tweets are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the data that's being collected and analyzed. We often hear about the importance of privacy settings on social media, but what many people don't realize is that even with the tightest privacy settings, forensic experts have ways of uncovering hidden content and alias profiles. Investigators can use sophisticated techniques to link these accounts back to a single individual. By cross-referencing unique photos, writing styles, and network connections, they can build a comprehensive profile of an individual's online activity. So, while privacy settings are important, it's crucial to remember that true anonymity on the internet is incredibly difficult to achieve. Our cell phones have become extensions of ourselves, storing a wealth of information about our lives. And while we might think about the photos we take and the messages we send, we often overlook the silent storyteller within our devices: metadata. Metadata is essentially data about data embedded in every file we create and share. For forensic experts, metadata is a goldmine, helping to corroborate or refute alibis, establish timelines, and even identify potential suspects. This kind of information can be crucial in criminal investigations and civil cases alike. So, the next time you snap a photo or send a message, remember that you're also leaving behind a trail of digital breadcrumbs that tell a story all their own. We all love sharing photos on social media, capturing those special moments, and sharing them with the world. But what we often don't realize is that every photo we take has the potential to reveal much more than just the image itself. Embedded within many digital photos is GPS metadata, which pinpoints the exact location where the picture was taken. This information can be incredibly valuable in forensic investigations, especially in cases involving missing persons. Photo GPS data can also be used to track the movements of suspects, verify alibis, and even reconstruct crime scenes. So, the next time you share a photo online, take a moment to consider the story it might be telling, not just through the image itself, but through the hidden data it contains. In the digital age, we often operate under the assumption that deleting something online makes it disappear forever. But the reality is that nothing truly disappears on the internet. Forensic experts have become skilled in the art of digital resurrection, using specialized tools and techniques to recover deleted websites, social media posts, and other online content. One of the most valuable resources at their disposal is the Internet Archive, known as the Wayback Machine. Another technique used by forensic experts is to access cached pages, which can remain even after the original content has been deleted or modified. So, the next time you hit the delete button, remember that in the world of digital forensics, deletion is rarely the end of the story. In the vast landscape of the internet, anonymity can be both a blessing and a curse. While it allows for freedom of expression, it can also be exploited for malicious purposes. That's why determining the ownership of a website is a crucial aspect of social network forensics. Forensic experts rely on a combination of tools and techniques to pierce the veil of online anonymity. By querying a domain name in the Whatchoice database, investigators can access information about the registrant, including their name, address, phone number, and email address. So, the next time you visit a website, remember that behind the anonymity of the internet, there are real people and organizations responsible for the content you see. In the digital age, sensitive information can spread like wildfire with a single click. And while we might think we're being careful about what we share online, we often overlook the hidden trails of metadata that can accompany our documents and photos. Metadata can reveal a surprising amount of information, such as the author of a document, the date it was created, and even the revisions that have been made. By analyzing the metadata embedded in a leaked document, forensic experts can potentially determine the source of the leak and track its dissemination. Even seemingly harmless photos can contain sensitive metadata that might compromise security protocols. So the next time you handle sensitive documents or photos, be mindful of the metadata they contain. Live streaming has become ubiquitous, allowing us to witness events unfolding in real time from every corner of the globe. But beyond their entertainment value, live streams are also a goldmine of information for forensic investigators. Forensic experts use a technique called geolocation to pinpoint the exact location where a live stream originated. This involves analyzing various data points such as IP addresses, cell tower triangulation, and even landmarks or background details visible in the stream. Beyond geolocation, live streams also offer a wealth of visual and audio data that can be analyzed by forensic experts. So, the next time you watch a live stream, remember that you're witnessing a digital record of events that could have real-world consequences. Newspapers have long served as historical records, documenting the events that shape our world. And in the digital age, these archives have become even more accessible and valuable for forensic investigations. Online databases have digitized millions of historical newspapers, making it easier than ever to access this treasure trove of information. Forensic experts use these archives to establish timelines, locate individuals, and verify information. Beyond the factual information they contain, newspapers can also provide valuable insights into social norms, cultural trends, and even language use at a particular time in history. So, the next time you're researching a historical event or simply curious about the past, don't underestimate the power of newspaper archives. Social media platforms connect us with friends and family, share our thoughts, and keep us informed. For forensic investigators, social media is a vast repository of information to solve crimes and track missing persons. Analyzing location data helps track movements and identify witnesses. Video transcripts allow searching for keywords and names relevant to investigations. When we think of forensic investigations, we often picture detectives dusting for fingerprints or analyzing DNA evidence. But in the digital age, forensic science now includes satellite imagery and duplicate photo analysis. Satellite imagery offers a unique perspective, revealing things impossible to see from the ground. Experts use software to detect subtle differences in pixels and compression artifacts. This helps reveal if an image has been altered or duplicated, crucial in cases of fraud, identity theft, or child exploitation. In a world where identity theft is rampant, verifying an individual's identity is more crucial than ever. Public records are the building blocks of identity verification. Forensic experts use them to verify identities and uncover hidden assets. Access to public records is protected by law. Facebook, with its billions of users, is an indispensable tool for forensic investigators. From wall posts to network connections, Facebook offers a wealth of information to solve crimes and track missing persons. Analyzing language, post timing, and tags reveals insights into an individual's state of mind and relationships. Facebook's network graph is a goldmine of information for investigators. Facebook collects metadata, including IP addresses and browsing history. Remember, your activity on Facebook is monitored and analyzed by law enforcement. From GPS data on Twitter to public government records, social networking forensics reveals layers of data that help construct digital stories. This information is powerful, shedding light on human behavior, verifying facts, and even assisting law enforcement. As we become increasingly reliant on social media and other online platforms, the field of social network forensics will only continue to grow in importance. New technologies and techniques are emerging all the time, allowing investigators to delve deeper into the digital world and uncover even more information. With digital forensics evolving, our understanding of what's possible continues to grow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more content on the intersection of social media and technology.